for watching today. We have a new property that is going to be on the market very soon in all the social media we have. Betty gonna work with me, and she's gonna walk with me into this house that is 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It comes with this double parking space. That's a huge plus, especially when you buy a house in Granada. Not that many houses can afford or can give you a room like this. Anyway, from the highway, you're gonna see the red ramp going through those gate doors. Sit here, get out, and boom, you go to the main house. The house is 2 bedrooms with a beautiful outdoor swimming pool that we're going to look at in a few seconds. So in the meantime, thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me those like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. La sala, the living room. This is actually a nice space for it. Set up some chairs and a round table. Windows looking in the parking space. Going through here, you're gonna have another living area where I can set up my TV. And next door, I have this door slides, actually. Large room with the bathrooms. You can fit 2 single beds or just one for your girl or your boy. But definitely you can have more beds than one. Now, walking through here, I have another section that gonna takes me to the stairs. These stairs connects to the second floor where I have 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. And meanwhile, you can appreciate this beautiful room where you can have the dining table. Yes, the dining table after you do some swimming at the outdoor swimming pool outside where you have a beautiful garden and a hammock. Here also you can see the place where they set up the pump system and the filter for your swimming pool. Very good, because I like it to be hidden and it's part of the whole area. Next door, I have another door right here where you can storage more stuff right under the stairs. That's very clever, because you know what, sometimes we look at more places to set up a lot of stuff, and sometimes we forget that the stairs is a good size for more space. Now, going to the second floor, I want to see the rooms. Let's go. This is the second floor, guys, where we're gonna have another, and the 2 bedrooms up above with bathrooms, each of them. Another thing that is very important to tell you guys, the owner of the house puts on cameras so you can also monitor your house if you're not in the country. That's another thing. People likes to rent these houses during vacations or when you're not here, but you want to follow up what's going on with your house. Actually, guys, the house is ready with those devices. So you have air conditioning, camera, parking space for 2 cars, 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It makes the house really convenient for families are looking around to stay here close to Granada. So this is actually, guys, a huge room with this beautiful concept of colonial columns with this arch. That's a nice touch. And right here, you're gonna see, look at this, Betty. Betty is filming, by the way, today. Thank you, Betty. And right here, we have the main bathrooms with tiles and a bathtub. Very modern, you can say they updated. Then your closet, I'm sure you're asking me, Carlos, where is the closet? Such a big place. It's right here. The door, open it, and then huge walk-in closet. You can relocate everything if you need, because definitely, guys, you have plenty of space in this master suite. The outdoor swimming pool. Oh yeah, look at that. It's right in the center of this outside garden or patio. And then you have the landscaping against that beautiful rocks. And then you have some parrots right here. They are quiet, which is very weird. So you have your swimming pool, and then you have this hammock right here. Great, especially if you want to just rest during the weekend. And the kitchen right here. There you go, the kitchen, functional and easy to go. Everything is set up properly with furniture, tiles on the countertop, the same tiles as splashback, beautiful joints, and the stove, a good size stove with this unit to absorb all the smoke, and then more room for a double bed fridge. People love to have a huge fridge, especially when you have a big family. Next to me, I have another room, one of the rooms, with its own bathrooms, and then walking through this door, you're gonna get to the laundry area where you have the lavandero and the extra 5th bathrooms, and then behind it you're gonna have another outdoor space where you can set up everything, all your tools and also equipment from the swimming pool if you need it. You're gonna notice it, an extra water tank above a tower. That's very important, especially if you live in Granada. Always remember to back up the system with water, with an extra water tank. And when you talk to your architect, if you're building, that is very important. So there you go, guys. This is a nice kitchen and very classic concept. Walking from the corridor, coming from the outdoor swimming pool. And remember, this is a 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, plus an extra full bathrooms in the laundry area. So the house actually presents itself very good for 5, 6, or 7 people. So don't forget, if you want to say, Carlos, text me about the house, here you are, my email and my WhatsApp. So let's continue walking through this house that is ready to go, and you're gonna look at all my website and all the social media. So let's go. You know what? When you do a filming like this, you have to enjoy it every minute, especially myself. I love to work with Betty or my friend Stacy, who also do the camera. So thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, every time you put that like and you subscribe, you're gonna help us to continue walking, hunting, and scouting new properties outside Granada, on the mountains, and why not on the ocean. So thank you for watching. And don't forget, here you are, my telephone number and my email, where you can connect to me and say, Carlos, I'm ready to purchase a property in Nicaragua. How can I do it? So in the meantime, you are going to look at this property and all the social media. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next adventure, and don't forget, hola.